First question is by Dr. Rathindra. He's asking, he wants to start up an online business. How can I take a first step? Needs clue. It's a very interesting question. All the time they are thinking how to start. There are two ways of doing it. See, doctors are actually the influencers in the market. Now the influencers are only word usually used for online stuff, and people who are putting online posts. Doctors have always influenced the society. Now the problem is that online influencers have taken the space and they are guiding the people in the amount of knowledge that they have. So what we can do is, first thing, you can become an online influencer in the way that you can put your videos, smart content, knowledge online, and then you can slowly increase your brand making or your brand building. So the second thing is, you can become a digital coach. In being a digital coach, you can always have a broad base of people. It can be kind of your own community. That is the thing which is relevant now. As well as you can have additional time that you cannot provide during your working hours. You can give that in the form of a video content so that they can read it and they can decide about their health or take a preventive aspect also.